First things first, morning check-in. All right, fat man, been an eye on things? Yeah, very troubled, aren't you? Anyway, so we're going to be sorting out the rear sprocket, chain, nuts, bolts, look, everything about that. Going to try and make it look less boring. And yes, I have gone to my trusted people, which is Conquest Racing. I buy all my parts through Conquest Racing online because they do a great service, actually reply to emails. They've got this reward system on the website, so the more you spend.
Something's wrong. Please try again.
Shut up, Siri. That we've got. I might not know what half this shit's called, okay, so we'll see. Some carrier of some sort, gold chain, 520, some nuts, sprocket, front sprocket, 520, some more titanium nuts and bolts. What's in this? Oh, Cush drives, reuse OEM, but why not just buy some extra Gucci stuff? What's in here? Oh, that, Flange, thingy. Oh, what a weird name, Flange. Chain, DUSPR5, 520. So we've got everything out. So we've got the titanium bolts for the sprocket. I've got the 520 chain. I've got the little links extra. I've got the Cush drive, titanium Cush drives, and I've got the carrier. And then I'm gonna chuck it all in, see what all this weighs. So everything nicely on there. It is just under 3.5 kilos that's the whole lot. Everything. Obviously, look, nothing there. Everything 3.5 kg. So let's sort of put this together, what we can do anyway. Fitting the carrier to the sprocket. This is obviously the back. Obviously these just fit into those little ridges and then hold it in place. Then obviously a bit of Loctite on the bolts. Go on the other side, tighten them down. And this bit anyway done, then we can move on to that afterwards. Got the one all done. All Loctited up. Try to get the names all lined up if I can, for a member. So yeah, that's pretty straightforward. And then onto these ones and get the old glue on the go. Let's go. Tightened up, so that's all ready. And then the next bit will be onto the bike to do the OEM removal, weigh all that, and then fit all this and sort the chain out, which I'm going to get my mate to do. So that'll be the next.
Flash over him, right?
No way.
Yeah.
What, the rear set?
Yeah.
Nah. So you got to put that on. There we go.
Sits off the hub a little bit. That. You think they'd have sent that one back for a like for like? Fucking hell, Carl.
Jesus. What's that for? Crosser?
I just bought them. I didn't know how many links or were needed, isn't it? Better to be safe than sorry, isn't it? So we've got all the old stuff off on the scales, and it is 4.626. So it feels quite heavy. We're a kilo and a bit less, so it should definitely help for less rotational mass, bit more acceleration, just general good tidy upgrade for the bike. So let's see how it goes. And then the added bit of bling at the back. Got the AEM kit on, got the gold DID chain on, 520. Obviously got the cover on, the gold chain goes all the way through. Got the 520 pitch at the front, and yeah, so this was a 1 kilo weight saving. So good, happy with that. Rotational mass and all that, so stuff that's moving. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So we're on the front door.